Hello, welcome to the SharePoint journey. This is Devendra Veligandla. In this video, you'll learn how to create document library in SharePoint 2013 to store the documents. So let's go ahead and open the SharePoint site. So this is our portal. Now we need to create a document library to store the documents. Let's say, for example, you wanted to store sales related documents. So to create a document library, you can go to Site Contents tab, Site Content section from left navigation, or you can use this gear button and go to the Site Contents. And here, once you go to the Site Contents, you can choose an option called Add an App. So in SharePoint 2013, everything now we are calling as an app. So click on Add an App button, and once you click on Add an App, it will list all the artifacts which are available that will display under your apps. So what we need here is the document library. So let's go ahead and click on document library. You can directly give a name here, or you can go to advanced options where you can choose few more options. So now we're directly giving the sales document title here. So this will create a library with sales document. Just go ahead and click on create. Now in this particular document library, which is going to create for sales document, we can store the different documents which are required for the sales department. So now you can see here the new document library has been created, and also in the left navigation the sales documents library has been created. Just click on this. See, here you can add a new document, or you can drag or drop the files here. Okay, so this is how you're going to create document library in SharePoint 2013. So in this lesson, you have learned how to create a document library in SharePoint 2013. Thank you for your time. We'll see you in next lesson.